farm friends. Just filming the little baby chickens today. There's Twizzy, here comes Betty. You can see Crow. Crow's feathers have some beautiful iridescent green. Yeah. They're doing really good. They're getting a little bit bigger every time I come down here, it seems. They're still pretty afraid of me, so I'm filming this from outside the run. I don't want to scare them too much. That's Vulture over there, the Easter egger, fibro Easter egger, all black. She's probably the most afraid of me. Her and Betty, who are actually both in the frame right now. Let's see if I can get closer to some of them. Hi, Twiz. Twizzy is the most friendly chicken. There's Patricia. Hi, Patricia. Hi. Patricia is Fancy. Patricia's a fancy girl. There's Vulture. It's Crow again, and Twizzy's climbed up on the feed bucket there. Hi, Crow. Crow's actually pretty friendly. She's a black Sumatran. They're not supposed to be, but she's pretty curious and friendly. They're doing really great. Twizzy has feathers on her feet, or her legs, as you can see. She is a Cuckoo-Marans. Can't wait to see what color her eggs are. Golden Cuckoo-Marans, actually. Okay, have a great day.